Hi everyone, this is the 2018 Outdoor DIY Decor Challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. Okay, let's get started. We'll be putting together this outdoor and planter, and we're using a Dollar Tree wastebasket and some jute or raw rope. Also, the white rope here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. This is just a simple technique of gluing the rope around, and you're going to start with the raw and then you're going to end up with the white. And the rope will naturally form these loops, and you're going to take those loops and glue them down, going all the way around as shown above. Be careful when you're using the hot glue gun because you do have to hold the rope in place in order for it to stick and to hold, and you want to be careful because you want to take it all the way around. And this is the complete look once the loops are all the way around, and you're looking at it upside down, and then I'm going to convert it back over, flip it back over, and you'll see the exact look of it. Succulents also, and I'm putting in as many as I can find to fill this wide container. This container is also from the Dollar Tree, and most of the pots here are either thrift finds or Dollar Tree finds, and I'm using these to fill up the planter. Once you choose your arrangement, then you want to start filling in, and this is the end result. And I'm using this little outdoor side table to put it on, and you may have noticed that I used that in the previous video. I have two that I'm going to put in my outdoor decor once I get everything together, so keep watching for that. And this is the way it turned out. It turned out looking pretty good. I like it. I would like to thank the DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge, and don't forget to look at the playlist and check out all the other wonderful DIYs and outdoor decor for this challenge. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just press that button down below. Remember, it's free. I have more DIYs and home decor to come. And if you like this video, give me a comment down below and let me know. Thank you again, and see you next time.